Hi, I'm Carly Cummings.
And I'm Gigi Kovalevsky.
We're back with hot news.
This week, Walnut Creek students traveled to Beaumont Technologies to find out what's so cool about manufacturing.
Stay tuned to find out more.
This is Mia Lou live at Beaumont Technologies to interview people and figure out what's so cool about manufacturing.
So Beaumont works in the plastic injection molding industry. We're actually a family of 4 companies under one roof. We have Beaumont Technologies, that's our original company that started back in 1998 when our founder, John Beaumont, discovered a way to control the plastic flow throughout a runner system. Our original product is called Melt Flipper, and basically that can help plastic flow more uniformly throughout a mold in the injection molding system when we're making parts. So the entire company started from that, and then we grew to Beaumont Development. After that, it was the American Injection Molding Institute, or AIM, and we have Beaumont Advanced Processing, and they do molding, so they do make parts for other companies.
What is your job here?
I'm a design engineering intern. I've been here for 3 years, and after I'm done with school, I come here and I work so I can get some real world experience.
I am the Design and Simulation Engineer Manager. I work with a team of engineers to run mold flow related services and do design work using ProE.
What, in your opinion, is so cool about manufacturing?
Manufacturing, you get to see kind of the fruits of your labor. You get to see immediately on the injection molding machine what you make. It's kind of neat.
So I do a lot of medical manufacturing, so it goes out to, it helps people. And that's pretty cool to see everything come together and know that you're actually making a difference out there.
Hi, we're back with hot news. I'm Gigi Kovalevsky,
And I'm Carly Cummings.
and we hope that you learned what's so cool about manufacturing.